10 Amazon finds of this month. This Shark Tank approved travel backpack is designed for effortless mobility, featuring a unique bucket-style opening for easy access, airline-compliant compact sizing, and ultra-lightweight nylon construction. This all-in-one power bank is designed for ultimate convenience, featuring 2 built-in charging cables, 2 additional USB ports, and a flip-out wall plug. This portable wireless printer is designed for instant printing freedom. No ink, no cords, just crisp documents and images anytime, anywhere. This countertop is designed to sit perfectly on front-load machines, adding instant workspace and storage while preventing items from sliding off during spin cycles. These mesh washing bags are designed to protect sneakers in the wash, preventing damage while allowing thorough cleaning. This countertop cupcake maker is designed for effortless single-serve baking, working perfectly with silicone molds for grease-free release. This board is designed to transition from chopping to chic presentation in seconds, with a snap-on lid that keeps cheeses and crudités pristine until serving. This innovative 3-piece colander set is designed to maximize kitchen efficiency, featuring self-draining bases that funnel water straight into the sink. This multifunctional storage is designed to maximize space with instant organization, featuring built-in dividers to separate blankets and pillows. These covers are designed with airtight elastic bands to lock in freshness on any bowl shape, while the crystal clear material lets you quickly see what's inside without lifting the lid.